Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and this is very quick video. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your PowerShell from version 4 to version 5. So why we need to upgrade our PowerShell? For example, if you are trying to run any PowerShell command or a script which is supposed to run on version 5, or some commands like get command you are trying to run, get module, or these type of command which is not basically compatible with version 4, so then you need to upgrade your PowerShell to latest version, which is PowerShell 5 version 5. So how we can do that? So I'm going to show you in this video. So this is our machine, for example, and I'm going to connect to this machine, and this just going to check which PowerShell module I am running, version I am running currently. So to check that, we have command PowerShell version table. So I'm going to run $ps version table, and when you click OK, you can see here PowerShell version is 4. So how we can upgrade this version? So if you go on Google and just you need to type PowerShell version 5 download, and you will see here version for 2012 R2. So when I'm going to click here, it's going to take me to the Windows Management Framework 5.1. so if click on that link, and you will see here Windows Management, and if you go here you can see Windows PowerShell is included. Windows Management Framework include update for Windows PowerShell, and these are tools. So when I click on download, you will see this is going to show you like 64-bit, 32-bit. So I'm running basically 64-bit operating system here, so you can verify. So if I go here, just check. So this is 64-bit operating system, you can see. So I'm going to download 64-bit version, so which is given here. Also you can verify for Win2 12 R2, which is good. So I'm going to click on next, and then it's going to download, and just run this setup once download is finished. And this is going to install this patch, so click yes. I accept the license term, and it's going to install this patch on this machine. And post the installation complete, we will verify what version we are going to have after installing this patch. So this is basically a quick fix or quick way to upgrade your PowerShell from version 4 or from version 4 to version 5. Also you can upgrade from version 3 to 4 or 4 to 5. So this is how you can upgrade. So just wait for get this installation finished, then we will move to verify the PowerShell version. So currently you can see the PS compatible version is 1, 2, 3, 4. So initially you can run all the commands which is available from PowerShell version 0, 2 and 3 and 4. So now it's asking to reboot, so let's go ahead and reboot this machine to verify the changes have been taken care. So this is working on feature now. You can see since this is patch basically, so it's going to be come through Windows update, and it's going to configure it. So now machine is rebooting again. So configuring Windows update, do not turn off, so we have to wait for some time to get the login screen, then we can verify the PowerShell version. So we got login screen. I'm going to hit Ctrl+Del and login, and then we can go ahead and verify the version of PowerShell. So now open the PowerShell and type the command. So $ps version table. Now you can see this has been upgraded to 5.1. This is the build number, and you can see it's going to be for one PowerShell version 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 and so on. So this is the quick way how you can upgrade your PowerShell version 4 to version 5. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe me for more videos. And if you have any query, any question related to this video, you can always post me on my given mail address. Thank you once again. Bye bye.